TON 101 episode 1, how you can actually start your journey on TON. Of course, you're gonna create a TON wallet, right? And which one is the best one right now on TON, Plug?
Tonkeeper. It's definitely Tonkeeper.
All right, so what you gotta do, guys, just gotta search Tonkeeper, all right? And right here, you see it, click on it, and you will be on this page. Right after, you can drop a follow and click on the tonkeeper.com. Now you're in the website, right? So you choose if you are using iOS, Android, Tonkeeper Pro, whatever you use, okay? You choose the browser extension. And I'm gonna go with the Google Chrome, and you will find yourself here. So you gotta say add to Chrome, add extension. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna just pin it right here. Let me pin it. All right, this will be the place. You're gonna create your Tonkeeper wallet. You're gonna go with new wallet, right? New wallet. Okay, it's already created. You see, easy peasy.
Don't screenshot it.
Yeah.
Either write it down or memorize it, or do both. I'd recommend writing it down and memorizing your seed phrase.
All right, let's go. Continue. And guys, I mean, this is gonna be show on the stream, so we definitely are not gonna use this wallet. You never ever share your seed phrase, okay, guys? Continue.
7 is camp. Window at burst.
All right, let's go. Continue. Account 1. You can say TON 101. You can choose any emoji you like to. Continue. And you also have the USDT here and TON assets, okay? You set up your wallet, bro. That's your first step on TON.
Yeah, and you can receive USDT TRC20 within your Tonkeeper wallet now. If you click receive, it'll show you your actual address, and that's what you kind of gotta. I like to memorize the first 5 to 7 and then the last 8, because then you can remember wallets based on like what it is, if you're creating multiple wallets for whatever purpose you want. But yeah, that's the address you'll use to receive TON, USDT, TRC20, NFT usernames, GIFs, anonymous numbers, really anything related to the TON blockchain. You're going to be using that address to send to people to receive that stuff.
What is next you can do, guys?
Yeah.
Of course, you can start your journey with only one wallet, but we're just going to show you how you can actually add multiple wallets, okay? You can just click right here, okay? And you can say set up wallet. Then it again asks you the same question. Follow the same process, okay? I'm not going to do it again, but you can just say new wallet, new seed phrase, again, write them down and create your own wallet. Use all of them in one extension, okay? Actually, let me just show Plug. Manage your 2 wallets right here, you see? That's the best thing about it. And you can add as much as you want. I don't know what is the limit here, by the way, Plug. Do you know it?
No, I think it's got to be at least 100.
So you can actually add like as much as you want, guys, here, okay? Swap some tokens. You can just click on all.
Let's start with Ston.fi. Yeah, it's at the top.
All right, one click and you actually find yourself in the Ston.fi website. Then what's next? You can just connect your wallet. We go with Tonkeeper and we go browser extension. Then right here, you see, you can use TON 101. You can actually choose wallets as well. Connect wallet. There we go. Right here. You see, same address, by the way. It just doesn't show the name that you have on the Tonkeeper wallet, but it's the same address. It ends with easy, and this one also ends with easy. Right here.
Like within Tonkeeper, you used to be able to swap TON to USDT within it. Some people can still have that, but I mean, for most people, it got removed. So I use Ston.fi or DeDust, swap TON to stablecoin, which is just USDT TON. So you can swap back and forth for roughly 0.3 to 0.5%, depending on liquidity. But it's generally between, I'd say, 0.2 and 0.4% fee. And you could do like large amounts or however much you want. You could do like 50K, 100K.
Right now, if you want to swap any tokens, you can just choose any tokens you want. As you guys see, you have all the options, including TON memes, majority of them, and choose what you want to receive.
Yeah, just do 100.
All right, let's do 100 here. Swap, confirm swap, okay, and we're gonna confirm it here as well in our wallets. And guys, make sure every time when you swap, just double check the amounts here, okay, before you do confirmation. You see right here, so we got 650 TON and we got 136 USDT on TON. You see the logo here, guys? This is for TRC20, this is for TON. These are different chains.
I'll give one extra tip too. As we all know, there's a lot of scams on Telegram. So what I like to do is have at least $1 or like 1 token in USDT TON. So that way, if someone is ever offering you USDT TON for like your username or gift and they send it to you first and it seems weird, or even if you're in a middleman chat or something and you're doing a deal and they send you USDT TON, say they're sending you $4,000 for a username, if that money goes into your balance where the 1 TON was already there, so now it's 4,001 TON, you know it's real, because some people send fake flash tokens, or they created their own fake USDT TON token and send you a fake one. So that's kind of how you can tell if it's real or not as well. You just at least have $1 to $2 USDT TON at all times.
I think we should also explore simple DeDust version as well.
Oh,
let's go to browser and then we choose DeDust. It's gonna be the same process. It's a different DeFi app. The liquidity pools are kind of different, so you can actually decide when you swap TON. It's not a big of a deal, but when you get into the memes, important that you check which DeFi app has more liquidity, then you want to do your swap right there. Good to have multiple options here. Again, we go with same, connect wallet, Tonkeeper, browser extension. You see everything same. Connect, and here we go, guys. You got the wallet, you got the amount here, and when you go to swap,
It's actually the
Or this-
same. It's just showing different amount. It's essentially the same. It doesn't really matter because these are the two best.
not that big difference. Let's go password. That's how you actually get your swap done here as well, guys. Let's check here if we actually did it. You see, just received 10 ton gone, and we got 13 USD for the same amount. I think DeDust and Ston.fi is covered now, just for
Yeah.
the simple swaps. Get into DEX Screener, guys. You can actually see the links right here, guys, if you need it. And once you go to DEX Screener, you will see the blockchains, all the different blockchains. And TON is right here. What I need to pay attention in here, plug, in the DEX Screener.
Yeah, I mean, this just shows you basically what coins are real because it's kind of hard to tell on Solana or Ethereum on DEX Screener which coins are real or fake. You can tell from usually the charts or the liquidity pools. But yeah, if you sort it from TON blockchain, like just click on Utia, for example. If you click on Utia, you can see the amount of transactions and volume as well as the liquidity pool. And you can verify that this is the real one. If you click the ticker Utia on the top right,
Here.
yeah, right there. Click there. Yeah.
No,
And then if you
it's
just like paste
copying.
it in the search, yeah, the contract address or the CA.
Yes.
Once you know what the real contract address is, you don't really have to question it again. But if you're buying the coin for the first time, you obviously want to make sure you're buying the right one. So that's usually what I do. I make sure the CA is correct. And then from there, you can copy that contract address into Ston.fi or DeDust to swap in.
Let's say I want to swap tokens on DeDust or Ston.fi, especially for the Utia token. It's actually
Right.
good to check from DEX Screener first, because as you see, the liquidity pool on for Utia on Ston.fi is 350k, but on DeDust it's only 19k. So you definitely want to do your swaps on the most liquidity pool, right? For example, if you want to buy $10,000 worth of Utia or sell, you should definitely do it from Ston.fi.
Yeah, if you do it on DeDust, price impact will be a lot higher,
Yes.
whether you're buying or selling. So Utia overall, the coin has 369k liquidity, but 98%, 96% is on Ston.fi. So
Yeah.
whatever you're doing with Utia, you want to do through Ston.fi. You don't want to route it through DeDust.
Are we gonna do this right? There you go. Just like this. Utia, you can find it with this as well, guys. But as you see, plug,
But see
you
how
see?
there's a fake one too? Yeah,
You
there's
see?
like
Yes.
there's
So-
a fake one below.
Yeah, if you are not sure, I mean, it already shows you the liquidity pool. It's already like kind of confirmation. But if you want to really make sure, you actually want to paste the contract address, then it shows you only one option, guys. Like, click here, then you're gonna
Yeah.
make sure your transaction will go through right token.
Do 200.
200 ton. There you go. Swap. Confirm swap. Password. You see, it actually takes like 5 seconds, maybe less.
Yeah, go on Ston.fi and type in 2,500 ton, like as if you're about to buy 2,500 ton worth of Utia, just to show the price impact.
All right.
It shows the price impact though, minus
Oh yeah, it's actually
2.11%.
yeah. Let's
So
go
type in
5k.
5,000 now. Yeah,
3.7.
that's still not bad. Do 8,000 real quick.
5.7.
Okay, so minus 5.73. Here's the thing: if you're trying to get in 10k into a coin, especially on TON, like say you're trying to get 10k worth of Utia, you can either buy 10k in one transaction,
Yeah.
or you can buy like 1k at a time, 10 times, or 2k 5 times, or mix and match it. But here's the problem: a lot of people will front run your buys. If you want to get 10k in and you're doing $2,000 at a time, as soon as you buy that first $2,000, there's a lot of mev bots or other like tracker bots that track wallets. And once your buy goes through, some people will buy like $500 or $3,000 worth of Utia, anticipating that you're gonna buy more Utia. So they make the price higher after your first buy. Then once you get the other 8k in, they'll dump on your head for 4 to 8% profit. So realistically, it's either you buy 2,000 worth and you can dollar cost average or DCA every 2 to like 8 hours to not get front ran in that way, or you can simply buy $10,000 worth in one click. See, right now it says minus 6.99%. If I'm trying to get 10k into a coin and not get front ran and just get my position in, I would simply set my slippage to 8% in this case, because it's minus 6.99%. You want to set your slippage 1 to 2% higher than whatever it says the minus is or the loss is, to make sure your transaction goes through. If you set your slippage to 3% right now and submit it, it won't work. Sometimes the transaction just fails. Show Buddy real quick so we can show the lower liquidity pairs. It's good to show the slippage with the lower caps.
Copy this from here or from here, okay? Then again, you can just go back to the Ston.fi.
That's correct.
Got this.
All right, so see how it says you're buying 100 ton worth of Buddy,
It
and then
says-
you're losing 0.84%, right? So type in like 2,000.
Oh shit.
Yeah, see? So yeah, I mean, with these types of coins though, you gotta buy 100 ton to 300 ton max at a time, and then let people sell. Like if I'm trying to get 1% a buddy, which would be 1750, I'd buy $300, and then I'd wait for some people to sell after your buy, and then buy another 300, and then so on.
Bridging, just connect your wallet, whatever blockchain you want to use. So you got plenty of options here: EVM, Solana, Aptos, Tron, Ton, Sui, IOTA, Starknet, and you have many wallet options as well. I'm just gonna go with MetaMask just to show you guys the process here. Okay, so connect my wallets, connect, and then you want to choose the token. So for that you need to choose the same token. That's what actually it's gonna work better for you. So let's do USDT on ETH to USDT on TON. I'm gonna do like $18, and here as you see not selected. So in this one you want to choose the wallet on TON. If you just write TON, or in here you can just search TON, right? And you see USD already showed up, and USDT. Can use the custom address, receive, copy, paste here. So Ethereum to TON address, transfer, and it already shows you total fee 0.66 for bridging plug is actually fair, bro. Time estimates is around 4 minutes. You should definitely check this if this is your transactions, guys. As you see, it says network fee 0.20, market, Ethereum target finance. Confirm this one.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's the request from. Make sure the link is
Yes,
correct and it's
definitely.
not an incorrect permit. Yeah.
Yes, transaction request. Okay, as you see, check the amount. Again, for bridging, you gotta do multiple confirms. Okay, not a single one. Confirmed. Let's just check. It already says here transaction completed, and let's just check our TON wallet. We got it. Here we go. History received. That's how, guys. You can actually do your
We
bridging,
just made, yeah.
and you can start your journey, man. Once you get the USDT, you can just swap. Again, you can actually do it here as well. Let's just do one here as well, and you can get TON. As you see, provider already gives you the best price. Continue, confirm transaction, password. Don't forget your 2FA, please, guys. Okay, that's so important. I think we are good with the TON episode 1 plug. Is there anything else you want to add?
Buy a fuck
Guys,
ton a ton.
we see you all in the second episode. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe TON 101 Telegram channel and Geo TON with double O YouTube channel. Those are the channels, the places that we will share these weekly episodes about TON and Telegram.